Everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some curry shrimp. First thing we're going to do is, to a heated pan, we're going to go in with some oil. Here I have 2 small chopped onions. You want to chop them relatively small. I'm going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of my curry powder and just toast this. Jamaican people say we have burned the curry. I did this for about 1.5 minutes or so. You don't want to have your flame too high because the aim is not to burn the curry powder, just to slightly just toast it off. Now I do like to use some cold water shrimps, prawns, just for added flavor. I find that when I use these, that they just add such a different flavor to the pot, a really strong shrimp taste. They are gonna, you don't need to worry about them getting too tough because they literally will just shrivel up to more or less nothing. They will be there, but yeah. Just if you want that really rich shrimp flavor. Then I'm gonna go in with some crushed garlic. You literally want about a teaspoon of garlic. Then I'm gonna add about I've used about half a tin of the coconut milk because it's quite thick, the ones coming from the tin. So I went in with a little bit of water just to loosen it a bit. I think if you've just used a fresh coconut, grate the whole thing and juice it, then your liquid will be a lot runnier. But because it's in it, them use the whole liquid or something for thicken the thing and thing, yeah. So once I've done this, I'm going to go in with some thyme. Now it's important for you to just give your pot a little taste. I tasted it. I just added a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, as I did pre-season the shrimp. As I said before, make sure you taste this pot. I tasted the pot and realized that I didn't have any pepper inside. So yeah, I'm adding a little bit of pepper. This pepper is quite hot, so as you see, I only went in with a few small little slices. Now here's my pre-seasoned shrimp. I did season it with some all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and of course my curry powder. I'm just gonna add this to the pot, give it a good little stir, and then just cover this and just let this simmer for about 3 minutes. Then you want to take the lid off, just go ahead and stir it up again for about another 3 or so minutes. I think I cooked these in total for about 6 to 7 minutes. Now if you find that your liquid is getting too thick, just loosen it with a little bit of water. After this time, the shrimp is ready. Your shrimp is ready when it's just all pink. But as I said, this process shouldn't really take too long. A good 5 minutes or so should cook your shrimp. And also it depends on the size. These were, I think this bag was the 30-40 size. So let me tell you now, the 20-30 size. Anyway, sprinkle with a little parsley and shrimp ready. Serve this however you want, but that it's go-to to serve it up with some nice buttery white rice. And there you have it, curry shrimp ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for coming back. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment, let me know so you're there. Come on, want to you, and share the video. Just press the share button because it does help my channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.